And I told Ashley that is not how you get ringworm.
How you get the white worm?
Exactly. Hi, this is Mike Diamond.
This is Miss Matinga.
You are watching Homework, and we're going to school the kids.
That's right. And today, on a very special episode of Homework, we're going to unbox something sent to us by one of our viewers.
Yes, we had put out the call for viewers to send us things to unbox on the air.
And we were roundly ignored. Yeah.
The response was overwhelming in its viciousness.
Yes.
And apathy.
Yeah.
But we did get a package.
Indeed.
And we're going to unbox it.
We're super excited to open it.
So we got this from a viewer in Florida named Michael, and the return address says blah 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 Club Booby.
Now, in the interest of full disclosure,
yes.
I think this is almost assuredly from my gay daughter, Michael Womack, who happens to live in Tampa.
I don't know if she wants her name on the air though, right?
I don't think she might.
We'll ask her, and if it's okay, then you're going to hear it, and if not, you're going to hear a bleep like 30 seconds ago.
And I'll just say my gay daughter, who I happen to adore.
Yes.
So I want to see what she sent us.
Now, just feeling it, I can tell that it's a book. Okay, what book do you think it is?
Or it could be a brick of cocaine.
I mean,
because she knows me well.
Yeah. And when she hears the word brick, she thinks Matinga.
I'm going to take a guess, actually, that it's not a book.
Oh.
And that it is a picture in a frame.
Okay, well, why don't we tear into it and see what's up? Open it, bitch.
Let's take a look.
Okay.
I'm going to put this down for a second.
Audio drum roll, please. Okay, so first of all, there is a photo, which I will... It says Club Booby 2019.
And those are my two daughters, Cameron and Michael.
I love that booby is misspelled.
And they actually named their apartment Club Booby.
Yes.
After our dear friend, Miss Booby Von Trapp.
The late, great
Yes.
Booby Von Trapp.
So my daughters, let's see.
There's a note.
To Mike Diamond and Miss Matinga, thanks for spilling tea all these years. We love Homework and have certainly been learnt. Michael, Deborah, and Miss Cameron.
Well, thank you, kids. It's lovely.
And there seems to be one more thing. Hold on a second.
What is it, and how much can I sell it for on eBay? Oh,
I love it.
Yeah.
It's going up on my wall tonight.
It's fantastic. They have sent us a portrait of a space alien. I am absolutely impressed. Look at that. It's got an afro wig. Oh, wait a minute. It's upside down.
It is an uncut penis, one of my favorite things in the world.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. So basically, it's an uncut unboxing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, wait a minute. And there's a name. It's called Omar.
I think yes, it's Omar.
Omar.
And the explanation is, I've been told this painting is by a local artist. It was donated to an art auction at my work where it didn't sell. It sat in a closet for a year before it was passed on to me. I gave it to another roommate who gave it back. And then I gave it to Cameron, who once again gave it back. Moral of the story, Omar's been around. Enjoy this painting of a large uncut cock. Thank you, daughter.
Thanks, guys.
You know Mummy well.
I love third-hand art, erotic art.
Yes.
It's fantastic. Well, guys, thank you for participating in this unboxing video, and I know just where to put this. Hold on, there's something else in here.
Hold up now.
So also in this package, a copy of Visit Tampa Gay. Why? Ask the locals. Okay.
Honey, I'm going to go visit my daughter in Tampa a little later on this month.
I'm definitely going to read that magazine. And there's something else in here. In the bottom of this package. Passion tea.
Oh, we all love some good tea.
A condom that says, I'm huge, with a picture of he who shall not be named.
Oh, my God.
I'm not saying that name. No. And, I guess that's what it is. Funny condoms. Well, thank you, boys.
It was perfect. We love it.
So, viewers, this has been a very special episode of Homework.
This is Miss Matinga.
This is Mike Diamond, and this apparently is Omar.
Y'all bitches just don't